Debt is rarely discussed accurately. It is framed as ambition, irresponsibility, or necessity. None of those framings matter. Debt is a constraint. Welcome back to the Dirt Floor MBA. Today, we're talking about debt and what it truly costs. Before we jump into that, a word from our sponsor, If Management Solutions. This episode is supported by If Management Solutions. We document real systems, off-grid power, fabrication, food, and self-reliance built under real constraints. No hype, no theory, just what works and why. If you're building something real, on land, in a shop, or inside a system, and you want guidance, design support, or strategic input, you can reach me directly at ifimayems@gmail.com. The correct spelling is in the description below. That's If Management Solutions, systems over sales. And now, back to the show. Debt limits movement before choices are made. It narrows options before problems appear. It compresses time and forces urgency into every decision. Builders don't moralize debt. They observe what it does under pressure. Debt doesn't just cost interest. It costs attention. Every obligation claims future effort before that effort exists. Every payment locks income into servicing the past instead of responding to the present. When income is stable, this feels manageable. When income fluctuates, debt turns minor disruptions into cascading failures. Builders see this early because they operate near reality. They feel how fast posture changes when the margin disappears. A debt-free position expands decision bandwidth. Without mandatory payments draining future income, judgment changes. Time horizons lengthen. Urgency drops. Builders can pause. They can evaluate instead of react. This is not about luxury. It is about unrestricted judgment. Debt filters decisions through survival. Being debt-free allows decisions to be filtered through strategy. Most debt exists to maintain appearances. Larger homes, newer vehicles, lifestyle commitments that are tied to external validation. Builders opt out of this trade. They choose configurations that can idle without collapsing. They design lives that absorb shock instead of amplifying it. Removing debt is not about living smaller. It is about living freer. Debt-free is not a reward. It is a platform. Debt-free status does not guarantee success. It guarantees optionality. Debt borrows against the future. Debt-free buys it back. Debt-free is not the end of the path. It is where real building becomes possible. The system failed. Builders will rebuild it.